So, come. Okay. Okay. And leave it here. On the left side. Ito na lang.
Sige po kayo nanak pa.
Bakit? Dapat natuto ka. Kasi sanay na ako sa anak ko noon. Tsaka ID. That's okay lang. What happened?
Laruan.
Walang wala.
Niloloko mo yata kami eh. It's okay, baby, it's okay. Niloloko mo yata kami. Baliwala nga naman eh. Totoo ba yung iyak mo? It's okay. Okay ah.
Baby, smile ka na.
There, oh, your mommy got your picture, see?